COVID-19 pandemic, right from end of March till date, has created economic crisis in this country. Millions of people lost their jobs. The industries were closed. Agriculture operation could not be carried out, and agriculture labor lost their job. Therefore, the government of India has to give minimum 6,000 rupees per month for the subsistence of the poor and unemployed people, so that they will be able to live without starvation. The government of India taking steps to privatize all public sector units and thereby creating job loss in this country. Immediately they should stop the privatizing the public sector units, which was the dream of the father of the nation, the former Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The lopsided policy that has been adopted by the government of India towards small and medium industries, giving direction to the banks to provide financial assistance for revival of the SMEs, is not yielding result. Therefore, the government of India should revise its policy of lending money to the small and medium industries for restarting their industries, thereby creating more job opportunity to the people is the need of the hour. These three issues I request the government of India to consider and attend to this, the major problem which people of this country are facing.